That's crawling or...
Maddie. Come on, Bug. Come on, Bug. Do your scoots. There she goes. So she just started doing this literally today.
Come here, Madeline.
And now she's just scooting around.
Here, come over here. See if we can get her to come over here. Come on.
Come here, Bug. Adjusting her trajectory. She's got the whole commando thing going on.
Come on, Private, you can make it.
Come on, Blue, keep that head down. Keep your head down. Come on, Boog. The cat's showing you up. Come on.
Come here, baby. Come here.
Well, she went from over here at her playmat and crawled or scooted all the way past there to over there and now has scooted back.